Okay, so for this question, we are trying to find how the angular speed of two sprockets are related to their respective numbers of teeth, NA and NB. So we're looking here. So we're looking to relate WA over WB with NB over NA. So the way we're going to do this is that we know that WA over WB is equal to RB over RA. And now it's also important to note that this RB over RA is equal to NB over NA. So basically, we've already found a relationship, and the relationship is that if WA over WB is equal to RB over RA, and RB over RA is equal to NB over NA, then this is the relationship. WA over WB is equal to NB over NA. So this is the relationship of the angular speeds of the two sprockets and their respective number of teeth.